So hey guys, tuko Outdoorman cabin in Kirinyaga, somewhere called Kathiri. This is the famous waterfall, and we're just having fun. I will give you a full tour of the place. Yes, so this is where the cabins are. There are 6 of them only. So far it's not good, it's not bad, but we'll work with what we have. But this is the famous swing. The famous swing is here, and then there are people there. I don't want to show them. And then other people are here. These are the swings, but they are playing music, so I will end the video and then I will try not to talk so much. I'm trying to go to the waterfall, which is very hot. Tuko na huyu friends hapa. Look at the waterfall. For me, no. Mimi asiingi kwa waterfall. Baduku hivi ndo baridi sana. Hakiki yangu baridi. Guys, maybe I'm not swimming. It's very cold. Alafu kuna music hapo. Usiende kwa sababu wanasema nini. Watu wanaweza swim. Hata na imagine kama day hata kuna maji ya kusia. Guys, it's very cold and I will make a video later because kuna copyright ya music hapa. These guys behind me wanasikiza music and I will avoid that because of copyright issues. So for now I will end the video, but this is the whole guys, I cannot shoot music video. I cannot shoot video because of that music. So guys, bear with me. Wakienda tutaunda vlog. This water is freezing cold, but it's amazing. I cannot even sit here. I'll just shorts and look at that. Let me try and go as fast as I can. And though it's cold, I can't go past that. If I go in, it's very cold. When I get out, it's even worse. It's more cold. And this case, look at this thing. This water is very cold. You guys might think I'm exaggerating, but it's very cold. I don't know if there are fish here. I really don't know. But this is everything, and I think so far I'm loving this, and I think you should come and check this place. But you should carry an extra towel if you're coming here. And also, let me look at the other side because I'm shy, and you guys are looking at me. You should also, if you're coming here, you should also prepare. There's no electricity, and also what? Maybe when you come, it will be here, but as for now, there's no electricity. And I don't know. You come and have fun, just experience the nature. I was someplace up here in Karura, that's where he stays. If you don't know, Karura is supposed to be Vice President of Kenya if they are renewed and born. They are party for Azimio. Guys, this place is cold, but they are playing music on the other side. It's very cold. I really don't know if I'll make the video, but I will try my best and do it. So if I make a video, well and good. If I don't, I will just include these small clips to the channel so that you can get people are looking at me and I'm getting shy, but I will. Yeah, so I will. There are some pros and cons about this place. One is that I booked the space so that I can, I can sleep. I spend the night here, but I noticed they don't provide towels, and with my hairstyle, I cannot swim because what's going on here? Okay, I cannot swim because I don't have the towel to dry my hair, but I will try my best and swim. I'm also shivering. It has been raining almost the whole day, and it's a good place. It's a really amazing place, but there are those pros and cons, like towels, and also what? No, people are having fun. I will not mind the music, but for YouTube I'll have to wait for them to go. But this is the place. This is the place. This is the swing. The cabins are there. If you turn like this, trees. The main road is on the other side. And then you get here, this is the waterfall. It's here. I cannot get close there. It's very cold, guys. I'm shivering. I can't even feel my leg. Like my leg is completely numb. I'm even wearing a croc. Let me show you. See? But my leg is totally numb. Very numb. But anyway, let's see how it goes. We'll do our best. As for now, let me go to the swing and see how it goes. This is the swing, and then on the other side is the waterfall. I want to go inside. Go to the other side. I want to go and check what the video is. Yeah, we can do this. Very nice. So I want to get to that part. Bali na success kutoka haraka. Sijageti. Tapi Ni video tunataka. Sawa. Kuna haja kuita hapa. Nakupa ile hiyo yote. Hiyo yote. Watu tunatoka kwa ile marundi. Haya. Ikikufa ikiamua kufagia watu hapa inawafagia mara moja. Inaweza kuja huko nyingi tu. Hata wewe unaona tu. Au unashindwa kuandika, au umepigwa akajaza.